Hi dear, and let's have a part 3 for 100 citizenship questions by ES Spoken English we teach online. The House of Representatives has how many voting members? House of Representing के कितने voting अरकान होते हैं? 435. There are 435 representative voting members. We elect a U.S. representative for how many years? We elect for 2 years. We elect the U.S. representative for 2 years. Name your U.S. representative. The answer will vary. What does a U.S. senator represent? He represents all people of the state. US का senator रुकन किन की नुमाइंदगी करेगा? He will represent all people of the state. US का senator रियासत के तमाम लोगों की नुमाइंदगी करेगा. Why do some states have more representative than other states? बास रियासतों के एक रियासत के नुमाइंदों से ज़्यादा नुमाइंदगान क्यों होते हैं? Because the state's population, because they have more people, because some states have more people. That means कि हर सवाल के तीनों लाइनों में एक ही फहम में बात आती है कि आबादी के ज़्यादा होने के बायस नुमाइंदगान बाज़ रियासतों में ज़्यादा होते हैं. We elect a president for how many years? We elect for 4 years. हम सदर को कितने साल के लिए मुंतखब करते हैं? हम 4 साल के लिए सदर को मुंतखब करते हैं. In what months do we vote for president? किस माह में हम सदारती इंतखाबात को अमली शक्ल देते हैं? In the month of November, we vote for the president. What is the name of the president of the United States right now? इस वक्त मुत्तहदा रियासत यानी अमेरिका का सदर कौन है? This time, डोनाल्ड जे ट्रम्प, और आप कह सकते हैं डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प या फिर ट्रम्प. What is the name of the vice president of the United States now? नायब सदर यानी वाइस सदर, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ अमेरिका कौन है? माइकल और पेंस या फिर माइक पेंस या फिर पेंस. If the case is that the president can no longer serve, who becomes president? The vice president will serve as a president if the president can no longer serve. Now let's have some repetition on our question and answers. The House of Representatives has how many voting members? 435. We elect a U.S. representative for how many years? We elect for 2 years. Name your U.S. representative. Answer might vary. Who does a U.S. senator represent? All people of the state. Why do some states have more representative than other states? Because the state's population, because they have more people, because some states have more people. We elect a president for how many years? We elect for 4 years. In what month do we vote for president? We vote for president in the month of November. In November. In November. What is the name of the president of United States now? It is Donald Trump. What is the name of the vice president of the United States now? It is Mike Pence. If the president can no longer serve, who becomes president? The vice president becomes president if the president can no longer serve. The vice president